If you were to take a survey of younger women today, you'd likely find that over 70% lean toward older men. But the big question is, why? What is it about older men that attracts younger women, often in their 20s or 30s, making them prefer these experienced partners over younger guys? In this video, we will uncover the 7 most important psychological reasons for this preference. Seven, the silver fox effect. Some older men are simply irresistible. Think of Brad Pitt, George Clooney, or Denzel Washington. As these men age, they become more magnetic and alluring, a phenomenon likened to a fine wine reaching its peak flavor. The term silver fox is a badge of honor for older men who have aged gracefully while retaining their youthful charm and sophistication. These men combine wisdom with athleticism, intelligence with charisma. It's not just about looks, it's about the whole package: confidence, style, and that certain something only a silver fox can offer. Social media has amplified this admiration, as younger women naturally associate silver foxes with cultured taste and elegance. 6. Attitude on the first date. Women appreciate a man who treats them with old-fashioned respect. This means moving chairs, bringing flowers, or giving a kiss on the cheek instead of diving straight for a passionate kiss. Simple gestures like these make her feel comfortable and valued. Taking time to get to know her and showing genuine interest creates a lasting impression. Older men tend to excel at these traditional courtesies, making them more appealing than their younger counterparts. 5. Leading in bed and beyond. Younger women are naturally drawn to men who take the lead. It signals strength, confidence, and masculinity. In intimacy, it's even more important. Younger women crave the presence of an older man who knows how to dominate in the best possible way. Imagine carrying her, changing positions effortlessly, holding her in your arms, and directing the entire experience. That's what she desires. A man who takes control and makes her feel like she's in capable hands. But leadership goes beyond the bedroom. To get her interested, you must take responsibility for the interaction from the start. This means leading conversations, asking questions, sharing stories, and keeping the flow going. When you take the lead, she can relax and let her feminine side shine, allowing the dynamic to unfold naturally. 4. Maturity. Maturity is a significant factor younger women consider when dating. Research shows that girls often transition into adulthood faster than boys. While the male brain doesn't fully mature until around their 40s, younger women are busy setting the foundations of their lives. Meanwhile, many younger men are still in their carefree phase, juggling uncertainty and impulsive decisions. This mismatch in maturity levels leads to relationship hiccups. Imagine a young woman looking for a partner ready to commit, while her date is still deciding which video game to play next. It's no wonder younger women gravitate toward older men, who have typically moved past that confusion and are ready for meaningful, committed relationships. 3. No hesitation in being physical. To stand out from the crowd, you must understand the power of physical connection. Yet, 95% of guys, mostly younger men, miss the mark because they fear coming off as creepy. Not initiating physical contact is one of the biggest mistakes you can make. But it's about subtle, non-threatening gestures that set the tone. Start with a simple handshake or high five to break the ice. As the conversation flows, Gently touch her shoulder or hand when you agree with her. These small, platonic touches build connection, showing you're confident and comfortable. Touch is one of the fastest ways to build trust and rapport, setting you apart from the rest. 2. Playful judgments. Older men have a distinct advantage when connecting with younger women. They can carry conversations with a blend of maturity and playful charm. This dynamic is magnetic, but younger men often miss the mark by trying too hard. Many younger guys constantly seek approval, showing off their niceness, coolness, or success. But this often backfires because it radiates insecurity, which is a major turn-off. As an older man, you don't need to play that game. You've already earned your reputation. Instead of seeking recognition, you attract it naturally. Here's a strategy. When she says or does something, playfully tease her, not meanly, but in a light-hearted, over-the-top way that can only be taken as a joke. This shows her you're comfortable in your own skin and don't need validation to feel good. This confidence, paired with a mature yet playful vibe, makes older men so appealing. 1. Financial safety. Financial security isn't just about paying bills, it's about creating a life where stress doesn't steal the show. Younger guys often fall into the trap of reckless spending, thinking that memories matter more than money. But younger women aren't looking for a wild night out, they're looking for stability. Most crave the security that only an older man can provide, echoing the safety their fathers once gave them. It's not about being a gold digger, it's about being smart. Love might not have an age, but comfort does. When a younger woman chooses an older man, she sees the bigger picture. She's not swayed by society's whispers that it's wrong. She's focused on what makes her happy. Financial safety is more than money, it's about peace of mind, allowing love to flourish. And that's what puts older men ahead of younger guys. If you found this video informative, please take a moment to share it with your friends and family. Don't forget to share your thoughts in the comment section below. If you have made it this far, comment below with the word 100% to confirm that you have received the knowledge from this video. For more interesting topics like this, also make sure you watch the recommended video that you see on the screen right now. Until next time, stay safe and awesome. Thanks for watching.